Artificial intelligence, AI, has been revolutionizing various aspects of human creativity, including music, literature, and visual arts. A recent breakthrough in this field is Hugging Face Illusion AI, a cutting-edge technique capable of generating captivating optical art images from simple text prompts. Before we delve into the details of this innovative technology, I invite you to subscribe to my channel, A2Zintech, where you can find more exciting content related to AI, tech, and creativity. Now, let's explore the key points regarding Stable Diffusion Illusion AI Hugging Face Illusion Diffusion. 1. What is Hugging Face Illusion Diffusion? Hugging Face Illusion Diffusion is a web application powered by AI that creates realistic and high-quality images from text prompts or sketches. It leverages the Diffuser's library, housing state-of-the-art pre-trained diffusion models for generating images, audio, and even 3D structures. 2. How does it work? Diffusion models gradually add noise to an input and then reverse the process, producing realistic outputs. Users can generate images from their own inputs, adjust parameters such as noise levels and guidance strength, and observe the generation process step by step. 3. What is Illusion AI? Illusion Diffusion generates optical art images from text prompts, employing geometric shapes, patterns, colors, and contrasts to create optical illusions. It's a collaboration project between Stability AI, CompVis, Runway ML, Eleuther AI, and Leon, aiming to democratize optical art generation. 4. How to use Hugging Face Illusion Diffusion. Users can access the application through the Hugging Face Spaces website, enter their input, text or image, and customize settings for image generation. The application offers various diffusion models and noise schedulers, allowing users to control the speed and quality of the generation. 5. Features of Hugging Face Illusion Diffusion. User-friendly interface for quick image generation. A gallery of examples for inspiration and exploration. A feedback system for rating and commenting on output images. Social media integration for easy sharing of creations. 6. Applications of Illusion Diffusion. Optical art creation for aesthetic, artistic, or educational purposes. Image editing and enhancement with optical effects. Image generation for creative, experimental, or research endeavors. 7. Challenges and limitations. Computational costs may lead to delays during server load. Quality and realism can vary, occasionally resulting in noise or distortion. Ethical and social implications, including content that may conflict with ethical norms. In conclusion, this video has explored the captivating world of Stable Diffusion and Illusion Diffusion, shedding light on their mechanisms, advantages, features, applications, and challenges. Through practical examples, we've showcased the creative potential of these technologies. We hope you've enjoyed this video and gained insights into these remarkable advancements. We encourage you to experience Illusion Diffusion yourself and unleash your creativity by creating optical illusions with the power of artificial intelligence.